Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the action button to open recently play music on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, open up settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on action button. Next in here, swipe across until you can find shortcut. Then tap on the shortcut chooser. From the pop-up, go down and tap on recently played. So tap on that and then swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now whenever you want to open up the recently played music, you can simply press and hold on the action button right here. So press and hold, and that will open up the shortcut, and you can simply tap on the shortcut here to quickly resume playing your music. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.